Namaskar and welcome back to Linux Fundamentals. In this video, we will see some more general purpose utilities that are used in Linux. So we are going to see, in this video we will see three general purpose utilities, that is the echo command, passwd command and the who command. So these three commands, we will see the demonstration of these three commands in this video. So let's go through the commands one by one and also see the demonstration of these commands. So the very first command is the echo command. Echo command is used to display the messages on screen. So echo command is very useful when we are writing shell scripts in Linux, that is programs in Linux. So you can use echo command to display some information to instruct the user so that they can identify what is to be done. Similarly, echo command can be used to display the environmental variables, the values of environmental variables. So let's see the syntax. So this is the syntax how we use the echo command. So echo in double quotes, you type the message, and when you press the enter, when you hit the enter key, the message will be displayed on the screen. So here are some of the examples that you can use with echo command. So let's jump to the demonstration and see how echo command works. So we will use the terminal to execute the command. So echo, and you type some message, and that will be displayed as it is on the screen. So echo, you type any message, and this message will be displayed on the screen. You can also display some of the environment variables. So echo, and you can say, so when you want to display the values for environment variable, we use the $sign. So here you can see the environment variables. So it shows me the home directory. So what is the home directory of the current user? So the home directory of the current user is student. You can also use another environment variable, that is the shell. So all the environment variables are capital in letter. So it shows me it shows us what is the shell we are using for Linux, for this terminal. So this is the shell that we are using. So this is how we use the echo command to display the values of environment variables as well as the messages that you want to display on the screen. So this is how we use the echo command to display the values of environment variables as well as to display the messages that is there to be displayed on the screen. Next we move to the next command. So the next command is passwd. Passwd command stands for password, and it allows you to change the password for you. So as a user, you may have to change the password. So you can use the passwd command to change the password. So let's see the demonstration how to use the passwd command. So when you type the passwd command, it will ask you for the current password, and once you enter the current password, then it will ask for the new password twice, and once you enter the new password twice, the password will change and you'll have to log in with the new password. So let's see the demonstration of this. So now we are not going to change the password, but I'll show you how the password command works. So we enter the passwd command, and when you enter the passwd command, it will ask you for the old password, that is what is the current password, and then once we enter the current password, it will ask you for the new password. So for now I am not entering the password, or I'm not changing the password, but you can try this on your system and see how this command works. So you will be able to change the current password by using the passwd command. So passwd command allows you to change the password. Now we move on to the next command, that is the who command. Who command is used to display the number of users who have logged into the system. Now this command is very useful for the administrator when there are many users who have logged into the centralized Linux server. So if the administrator wants to see how many users have logged into the system, the administrator can type the who command on the terminal and he can find out how many users have logged into the system. So along with who, we have two options, -H and -U. So -H displays the header information on the top of each column, whereas -U provides some more detailed information about the users. So let's see the demonstration of this command, how to use this command. So now, as this is a single terminal, there is only one user who has logged in, but if it is a multi-user system or where multiple users have logged into the Linux server, there you can see there will be list of users who have logged into the server. So here it shows you, the first column shows you the username, the second column shows you the user ID, and then you see the date and time. Now we can just see the titles for this. So -H. So -H shows you the titles of each column. So name, line is nothing but from which terminal the user has connected or user has logged into the Linux server or Linux system. Then date and time and comment. Now we will see the next parameter that can be used, or next option that we use is U. So U shows you few further more details. So let's see what are the headers of this. So you can use the -H and U command simultaneously. So it shows you two more columns, the idle and PID. So idle is basically the idle time, how long the user is idle on the system, so it will display the idle time, and PID is the parent ID. So it shows you the parent ID of that particular user or that particular shell. So this is how we use the who command, and who command helps us to find out the number of users who have logged into the Linux system. So in the next video we will see few more utilities that help us get some more insights into the system, Linux system. Thanks for watching the video. If you have liked the video, please click on the like button and share your views and suggestions with us by writing in the comment section below, and encourage us by subscribing to our channel, and please do not forget to click on the alert bell so that you don't miss our upcoming videos on our channel. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care, stay safe. Thank you. Thanks for watching the video. If you have liked the video, please click on the like button and share your views and suggestions with us by writing in the comment section below, and encourage us by subscribing to our channel, and please do not forget to click on the alert bell so that you don't miss our upcoming videos on our channel. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care, stay safe. Thank you.